this is Scott Lara, ScottLara1961 on Twitter, thecruisegenius.com. Here with Reed and Cole. Say hi, Reed.
Hi.
Okay, and so it's a Lara family tradition, if you will, that Reed and Cole get something very special. And so on the count of three, Reed and Cole are going to open a very special annual present. 3, 2, 1, go. Go ahead, Cole. Yeah, that's right. Yours is a box.
What do you get?
Do you have a thing to help open, honey?
It says handle with care.
Oh, wow. Good job.
Oh, it's already wrapped.
What is it? What could it be?
We have no idea.
I want to get it out now.
The suspense. How many?
What the heck?
Whoa.
Now, you may say it looks like a lot of the, it resembles the 2008 model. That is true. Hess did not put a whole lot of thought into it. They kind of, really weren't very creative on their 60th anniversary. However, we still like the Hess trucks.
Wow.
And hopefully they'll do better next year. Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com. Like and subscribe.